Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. In this video, I'm going to talk about Spring Scheduler in Spring Framework. Spring 3.0 introduces a task scheduler for scheduling the task. So if you have a method or a task that has to be run every 30 minutes or 1 hour, you can configure it in Spring Framework, and Spring Framework will call your method every 30 minutes. So you can configure it. I'm going to show you a demo on that, a small code I've written. So before that, I want to just tell you the dependencies that you have to include in your POM file. So Spring Batch Core, Spring Batch Infrastructure, these are the dependencies you have to include in your POM file, and the version is 2.2. Then I want to show you the Spring configuration XML file. So in order to enable the task scheduler, you need to include these two tags: task scheduler task and task schedule. So this is the line which is going to inform the Spring Framework about what is that we need from the Spring Framework. So this is the bean ID, this is the method that Spring has to call, and this is how frequent it has to be called. So here it says we are using cron expressions. It says every 2 seconds call this method on this bean. I want to repeat, every 2 seconds call this methods on this class. So because bean ID is same, every 2 seconds this method is going to be called on this task. So this is what this configuration means. Let me show you the task class. It's very simple class which has run method and a printout statement. So this method will be called by the Spring Framework every 2 seconds. So I'm going to run this class. I'm going to load this XML file so that we can see every 2 seconds the Spring is going to start the task. Let me run this program. So now class path XML application context is going to be created using our XML file. That means it's going to register all the beans and it's going to start the task scheduler. That whatever we have configured, it's already started. So you can see here my task, this method has been called for every 2 seconds because that's what we have informed to Spring. It's a very simple example I've written. Hope this video is useful and informative. Thank you and all the best.